guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are visiting for the first time, please kindly like, subscribe, share, and turn on your notification. Mwah! Okay, so today let's just get right to it, okay? I'm going to be talking about how hard, when I mean hard, it's very hard to run a business in Nigeria. If you're an entrepreneur in Nigeria and you're doing well, you're running your business, I just want to say kudos to you, because running a business in Nigeria is hard. It's more like you bring your money to say you want to invest in a business. You start up that business yourself in your own little way. You try and put things together, and people just come and try to rip you off or try to ruin your business. People are still very mean. Like, how can you be on a salary, right? You're being placed on a salary and you find the need to cheat your boss, right? Who is working so hard to pay you your salary, and you find it so hard to reciprocate literally the favor. Even if I don't make money that month, it doesn't matter. I have to pay you. Regardless of whatever is happening in the business, I have to pay you. So it means that if you don't make money for me, I still have to pay you. How ironic is it? And you still find staffs that would go and try to steal their boss's money, or try to rip them off, or try to, extort from them. It's already so hard that you have to try to make a living in Nigeria, like doing your own business, trying to attend to customers. And then you have one staff that they sent to come and steal from you and rip you off that small money you're trying to make, or that business you're building. Oh my gosh. That is witchcraft behavior, right? That's being wicked. Because if someone is trying to, run their business and try and start up something for themselves, and also create avenue for employment for people, and then you come there and you find yourself ripping them off, stealing from them, channeling money to your own account instead of giving them your boss's account, stealing things, stealing clothes, or if they tell you to go do delivery, you do your own, just doing different things, side runs and whatnot. That is a demonic behavior, because it means that you're trying to run down someone else's business, and you will just find yourself being stagnant. I promise you. That is why you see sometimes some people are just stagnant. Like, they don't move. Like, they wonder why they're not moving from one place to the other. It's because every time you find yourself in a situation to work, you try to cheat the person. That's why, see, my advice to entrepreneurs in Nigeria, if you have a business, right, and you're not paying attention to your business, you're not going to review, even as little as Instagram, your chats between your sales reps and your clients. You need to sometimes go through it to see how sometimes they relate to customers. Because, see, let me tell you something. If you own a business and your sales representative or your sales girl or whatever speaks to a customer anyhow, they might not know you or whatever, but at that point, the customer is just like, you know what? I'm never patronizing this person again. I'm never buying anything from this store. You've lost a customer that probably would have bought a lot, or probably would have added value to your business, because of these people that don't care one bit for your business, for your success. So it's bad enough that we are struggling with finances, or struggling with investments, or struggling with, what you might call it, paying duties and whatnot. But when you now have to still suffer, go through all that phase, production phase, the phase of obviously when you would lose some things, obviously because they're not up to standard, right? So money gone. And then you're still trying to put yourself together. And then you still see one riffraff that comes from nowhere, trying to leech and just suck you dry. My dear, the thunder that's coming, it's coming from very far away, and it hasn't landed yet, literally. But seriously, like, I feel like we need to pay attention to our business, and please monitor your business, put cameras, security, like, because you can't trust these people these days. Even when you see staffs, oh my gosh, the one that baffles me are the ones that they have worked with you for maybe like 6 years or 5 years, and you've been so amazing to them, you've been amazing, they still cheat you. They will still find a way to rip you off. I cannot get over those ones, because those ones are worse. At least the ones that come like the first 2 weeks, they've tried to sideline 10K or 20K that you've caught somehow, maybe from your camera or something. At least those ones, they showed you their real character on time, right? But those ones that you don't see coming, those ones are the worst, because they would have sucked you dry of millions before you realize something is going on, because you don't see them coming. They are so calm. When they rip you off, you will feel it in your bone marrow. But anyway, seriously, I just want to commend entrepreneurs in Nigeria, people running their businesses, doing so well. Well done. See, well done. It's not easy. I can tell you for a fact, because I have a business, and it is not easy. Or is it the tailors? See, it's not easy. It's not, because guess what? They would frustrate you, and sometimes you wish you want to close down your whole business. That's how bad it is. Like, you wish like let me close my store. I'm done. Like, I'm not done. I'm done. You know. So, anyways, like, please, if you have a business, try and pay attention to your business. You know, have security cameras everywhere to monitor your business, even if you're not there. Try and, you know, relate to your customers once in a while. Take charge for a day. You know, I attend to some of my customers myself. It's funny. I remember a Sunday, my makeup artist reached out to me saying that, a friend of ours wanted to get like kimonos and everything. And normally we don't open on Sundays. And I'm like, okay, no problem, let her come. I was about to go to church. I'm like, let her come. I would definitely like sort her out. She came, I attended to her myself, obviously wearing fake, but she knew it was me. I attended to her, what do you want? You know, she paid, she bought, she and her friend, they bought, they left. And I mean, I made money. Imagine if I said, we don't open on Sunday, or my sales girl, this is not around. I won't make money that day, right? Anyways, thank you so much. I hope you had a nice time and you've learned something. Please kindly subscribe, share, comment, like, and drop a comment. I love you all. Bye. Mwah.